चलो आज NCERT क्लास 10 बायोलॉजी चैप्टर लाइफ प्रोसेसेस के इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स करते हैं।
NCERT Class 10 Biology Chapter Life Processes in Text Question or Question between the chapter.
Why is diffusion insufficient to meet the oxygen requirements of multicellular organisms like humans?
Diffusion is insufficient for humans because of our large body size, complex structures, and low surface area to volume ratio. In multicellular organisms, all the cells may not be in direct contact with the surrounding environment. Thus, diffusion alone is insufficient to meet all the requirements.
What criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive?
Characteristics of living organisms are: living organisms have a cellular structure. They show metabolism. Living being undergoes growth, repair, and death phenomenon. Living beings exhibit movement, need nutrition, they respire and have the ability to reproduce.
What are outside raw materials used for by an organism?
Organisms need raw materials from outside for energy, which is used to move, grow, repair, reproduce. Also performing metabolic activities, like synthesizing proteins and other substances that are needed.
Example, autotrophic plants need carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight for photosynthesis. Oxygen is required to carry respiration and circulation to all parts of the organism.
What process would you consider essential for maintaining life?
The various processes essential for maintaining life are respiration, transport, excretion, control, and coordination, growth, movement, and reproduction.
What are the differences between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition?
Autotrophic nutrition, it is the mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food by using the inorganic raw materials like CO2, water, and sunlight. The process followed are photosynthesis or chemosynthesis. This occurs in all green plants, blue-green algae, and certain bacteria. Heterotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition where organisms cannot synthesize their own food. They depend on dead or living plants and animals. It occurs in animals, fungi, most of bacteria, and protists.
Where do plants get each of the raw materials required for photosynthesis?
Plants get their three primary raw materials for photosynthesis from the atmosphere, soil, and sun. Carbon dioxide, absorbed directly from the atmosphere through tiny microscopic pores in the leaves, called stomata. Water absorbs from the soil by the plant's root. Sunlight is captured from the sun as a radiant energy.
What is the role of the acid in the stomach?
Stomach acid, primarily hydrochloric acid, is a powerful digestive fluid that breaks down food, unfolds complex proteins for digestion, activates essential enzymes like pepsin, and acts as a natural disinfectant to kill harmful bacteria and pathogens ingested with your meals.
What is the function of digestive enzymes?
Digestive enzymes like salivary amylase, pepsin, trypsin, pancreatic amylase, lipase are biological catalysts that break down complex, insoluble food molecules, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into simple, soluble molecules. This process is essential because it allows the digested nutrients to be easily absorbed through the walls of the alimentary canal into the bloodstream and distributed throughout the body.
How is small intestine designed to absorb digested food?
The small intestine is perfectly optimized for nutrient absorption. It is lengthy about 6 meters in adult human. Its inner lining has two types of folds called villi and microvilli. Each villus has blood capillaries and a lymph capillary.
What advantage over an aquatic organism does a terrestrial organism have in regard to obtaining oxygen for respiration?
Terrestrial animals derive oxygen from air which is less denser than water and also contain much more oxygen, about 30 times more. So these animals can take sufficient oxygen from air to meet their high.
बहुत हार्ड वर्क, पेशेंस एंड टाइम लगता है काम का और अच्छा वीडियो बनाने के लिए, सो प्लीज लाइक,
share and subscribe also.